Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Land channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. All right, so before we start our conversation for today or for tonight, let me just honor our subscribers. They are now 5,000, 5,030, almost 5,030. Thank you so much for that. And my friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel and you are watching it right now, please do subscribe to our channel so that we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. And do not forget to like this video as well. And of course, hit the notification bell so that every time we have a video like this, you are always notified, my friend. Okay. Now, the discussion or the conversation that we have for today is all about local politics. Okay, so yesterday yata we were able to discuss Pasig, no? Converse with you with regards to one mayor in eastern part of Metro Manila, no? Parang na ano no, nakikipag-away yata or kagalit niya yung barangay captain doon, no? Sa isang barangay sa Pasig. This time around punta naman tayo bandang north, no? Caloocan City. Okay, so Caloocan City guys, ang mayor po diyan ay si Mayor Malapitan, yung anak, no? I forgot his first name, yung anak ni Oscar Malapitan, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, si Oscar Malapitan ay dating mayor ng Caloocan City, no? Naka three terms na siya, no? Yung anak ngayon, naka three terms na ng congressman. So parang nagpalit lang sila, okay? So medyo matagal-tagal na rin nilang hinawakan ang Caloocan City, no? Parang ano na 'no, 12 years na malapitan ang humahawak ng Caloocan City. Ngayon ay, umeentrada ngayon ang dating senador at oppositionist na si dating Senador Sonny Trillanes, okey? So baka may posibleng tatakbo siya bilang mayor ng Caloocan City sa 2025, ng Caloocan City, okey? So, taga Caloocan City naman po 'yan 'no. Akala ko nga po in the past tatakbong congressman 'yan, ng Caloocan City, pero hindi po natuloy 'no. Ano po siya, tumakbo po siyang senador 'no, nanalo naman po siya 'no. Nung unang-unang takbo niya ng senador akala po natin ay tatakbo siya bilang congressman ng Caloocan City. So, kaya anyhow 'no, nandiyan na po 'yan, okey, naging senador na po siya, pero last election, ilang beses na rin po siya natalo 'no. Natalo siya bilang, vice president, nung ano ba, 2016 yata 'no, vice president tumakbo siya, natalo siya. 'No, ni Leni Robredo at that time, 'no? Ngayon, okey, tumakbo ilang beses na rin po siya tumakbo na senador, 'no? Last time around tumakbo siyang senador, ay natalo din po siya. Ngayon baka hindi natin alam kung effective po talaga siya na biglang maging mayor or mananalo po siya bilang mayor. Makikita po natin 'yan pagdating po ng 2025. In terms of qualification naman po, okey naman, 'no? Okey naman si Sonny Trillanes, qualified na qualified naman din 'yan, former military, former rebel. At saka ano, taga Caloocan naman po 'yan si Senator Sonny Trillanes, okay? Actually asawa po 'yan 'no ng ano rin po 'no, parang kapatid natin sa industriya, sa academe 'no, sa computer studies, si Ma'am Trillanes ng isang university, somewhere here in Metro Manila also. We would not mention the name of the university siyempre, 'di ba? Okay. So kung may pag-asa talaga namang, may pag-asa si Senator Trillanes 'no, na manalo at tumakbo bilang mayor naman ng Caloocan City. Baka malay mo 'di ba, may mga maganda siyang programa sa, Caloocan City, okay. Kayo kaibigan, kayo 'no, do you want, Trillanes to run and win as a mayor of Caloocan City 'no? If you want to, please comment down below 'no. Kung if you are against on it, okay lang. No, your comment, you comment down below. No, you write your comments down below. Okay, we will try to read that as much as possible, and then we will try to reply, no, on those topics or on those comments that you would like to write on that. Okay, as soon as possible na nabasa natin yan, no? Okay, sige hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko, okay. But bago natin 'yan 'no, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa mga kaibigan natin 'no. Okay, so kung nanonood ka nito or papanoorin mo yung mga videos natin, no, in the future, please, no, do not skip the ads because the ads will help the content creator or will help us, no, to maintain and sustain this particular channel, no, so that we can be motivated, we can be inspired, no, to make and create this content for you guys. All right, so ano pa ba, no? I would like to honor also, no, our international subscribers, especially our subscribers from the United States of America, in United Kingdom, in Canada, no, uh, in Europe, no, European countries. Thank you so much for all the help and support also of this channel. So I hope you continue supporting our channel, watching our videos. Do not skip the ads, no. Ayan, that's my ano, no, pakiusap sa inyo. All right, so until now, until then pala, no, thank you so much. Okay, and have a great day ahead of you. God bless to all of you. I love you all. Bye-bye.